Hello students, today we will solve based on step-based series which comes under alphanumeric series. So basically this type of question is asked in the mains exam. It's not seen in the prelims exam, but in the main exams you can see this type of question. Okay, so series will be given to you. Okay, so here the series starts from hash 2 hk and so on till 6. That is the series given to you. Okay, so you can see the steps, right? Step 1, step 2, step 3 is given, and then according to that steps, after solving that steps, then you need to answer the questions based on the sequence formed after the third step. Okay, that is the final step. Or there can be only not 3 steps, there can be 4 5 steps also. So after 5 step, whatever final arrangement you're getting of the series, by seeing that you need to answer the questions. Okay, so series is given to you. So step 1 is saying what? If the symbols are immediately preceded by an odd digit and immediately followed by a consonant, then the symbols are placed immediately right of n in the same order from left to right. Okay, so symbols which are immediately preceded by an odd digit and immediately followed by a consonant. Okay, so symbols which are immediately preceded by an odd digit but followed by a consonant. This is not a consonant. Okay, so leave it. Then uh, symbol which is preceded by a number, correct? Sorry, by an odd digit and followed by a consonant. So this is 1 at L. Okay. Similarly, you can see $9 T. Okay. So symbol which is preceded by an odd digit. Okay, and it is followed by an consonant. Okay, so this two you got. So first step you need to arrange like that. How to arrange? Then the symbols are placed immediately right of n in the same order from left to right. Where is n? N is here. Okay, so whatever symbols are there here, okay, you need to arrange them immediately to the right of n from left to right order. Okay, so what will be the series? Hash will remain as it is, then 2hk $5, sorry, percentage e 1 ln. After n you need to place that symbols. So this is at and dollar. You need to place immediately from left to right order, immediately right to n. They have said. Then similarly you write Q7 $4A. Okay. Similarly you need to write, but this L and 1 will remain at the same position. Only they have said to arrange the symbols. Okay. Right of n. So that only you need to arrange. Other all elements will remain in the same position. Okay. Next, step 2 is saying what? After step 1, if the letters are immediately preceded by a number and immediately followed by another letter, then the letters are placed immediately right of n, right of 5 in alphabetical order. Okay, so that's why it is called a step based series. After first step you need to follow the second step. Okay, so after first step whatever series you're getting, that needs to be followed for the step 2, provided the conditions given. Okay, so now here they have said letters are immediately preceded by a number and immediately followed by another letter. Okay, then the letters are placed immediately right of 5 in alphabetical order, they have said. So the letters which are immediately preceded by a number is 2HK, then 1LN and 9TU. You have to see this series now, okay? Not this series, because for step 2 they've said after step 1 whatever series you're getting, according to that this condition is applied. Okay, so here 2HK, if you see, letter is immediately preceded by a number and it is followed by another letter. So 2HK is one thing, then 1LN, okay, is the second thing, and 9TU is the third one. Now what they have said is, here I made some mistake, okay, so here is the second step, okay, so here hash 2k 2k comes, okay, so they have said to write after 5, okay, the letters are placed immediately right of 5 in alphabetical order. What? The letters, only the letters. Here what was there? Only the symbols. So here only the letters should be placed immediately right of 5 in alphabetical order. Okay. So here letters are what? H, L and T. Okay. Because K is also a letter, N is also a letter, U is also a letter. But that can't be applied for this condition. Why? Because here condition is if the letter which is immediately preceded by a number and immediately followed by another letter. So they are referring to that letter. That letter will be H, L and T. Okay. So they are already in alphabetical order. You need to place those letters immediately right of 5. Okay, so hash will remain as it is, 2 will remain as it is, k will remain as it is. After 5, immediately after 5, immediately to the right of that we need to place h, then l, okay, and then um, h, l and then t, correct. After that comes whatever is there, you need to write as it is, but wherever there is L, wherever there is T, okay, that letters has to be not repeated, okay, because immediately after 5 you're placing them, okay, and rest all we need to write as it is, okay. Now step 3 is saying what? After step 2, the digits immediately preceded by a letter and immediately followed by symbol, then the digits are placed immediately right of L in ascending order. Ascending order means what? Smaller to larger value, correct? So now we need to refer to this series, okay. So the digits which are immediately preceded by a letter and immediately followed by a symbol, okay, this can't be, okay, then digits which are preceded by a letter, this is preceded by a letter but it is not followed by a symbol, this is preceded by a letter but not followed by a symbol, this is preceded by a letter and followed by a symbol, so only one you can see, that is $97, okay. So now what they've said, that digits are placed, whatever, this $97 only you're getting. So this 7 should be placed immediately right of L in ascending order. So only one you're getting which is matching that condition, that digit is immediately preceded by a letter and immediately followed by symbol. Okay. So hash 2k 5h, after L they have said, so after L 7 will come, okay, this 7 will come, then T will remain as it is, you need to write, but again 7 you should not write after Q, because immediately after L you need to place that, okay. So after Q directly dollar will come, that and will come for A. This will continue till 6. Okay, so this is the final series that you're getting. Okay, after the following the steps whatever they have given. Now what question is asked? How many digits are immediately preceded by symbol and immediately followed by vowel after the final arrangement? Okay, final arrangement is this. Okay, so digits which are preceded by symbol and immediately followed by vowel. So digits preceded by a symbol, it is not followed by a vowel. Digits preceded by a symbol, no. Digits preceded by a symbol, no. Digits preceded by a symbol, no. Then digit preceded by a symbol and followed by a vowel. Okay, so this is one pair. Then digits preceded by a symbol followed by a vowel, no. Preceded by symbol followed by a vowel, no. So only one you're getting, that is and for A, which is matching with this condition. So answer is 1. Okay. Okay students, now I will teach you multiplication trick. Okay. Manually, if you solve multiplication of 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 digit in competitive exams, manually how we used to solve in schools or colleges, that would take a lot of time, that would waste a lot of time. Okay, and to quick solve it, means to quickly solve it. Okay, there is a trick. Okay. So 2 by 2 I will show you. 3 by 3 I will show you in the next coming series. Okay. So manually if you take, okay, 14 into 32 if you want to multiply. So in schools and all, how we used to do? We used to do like this: 2 fours are 8, then 2 ones are 2. Then here is to leave empty, then 3 fours are 12, carry 1, 3 ones are 3, then plus 1 will give you 4, and then we used to add this 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 4, correct? So manually if you solve, it will take lot much time. Okay, lot much time will be wasted also. So trick is that uh, first you need to follow this series. Okay, so I will teach you how to do this series. Okay, so first step, okay, you need to multiply this. 4 twos are 8, right here 8. Step 2 is what you will do, you will multiply this and this. Okay, opposites. 2 into 1 will give you 2, 4 threes are will give you 12. Okay, so and then you need to add 12 plus 2 will give you 14. Okay, and that unit digit you need to write here 4 and carry 1. Okay, in step 3 you need to write 1 into 3, that will give you 3 plus carry 1 was there, so that gives you 4, that is 448. Okay, so 65 into 21 is the next question. Okay, so you need to follow this pattern. Okay, for 2 by 2 you need to follow this pattern. So first you need to multiply this. Okay, that means 5 into 1 will give you 5. Write 5 here. Then opposite this you need to multiply and add it. So 6 ones are 6. 5 twos are 10. So 6 plus 10 is what? 16. So write 6 unit digit here. 16 unit digit is 6 and carry 1. Okay. Then you need to multiply this. 6 twos are 12 plus 1 is 13. So you'll get 1365. You can check it on calculator also. Okay. Next, 98 into 56. 8 6 is 48. right? 8 here, 4 carry. Then opposite you need to multiply. 9 6 are 54, correct? 8 5 are 40. So you will get 94. 94 plus 4 will be 98. Write 8 here, carry 9 here. Then this needs to be multiplied. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 9 is 54. So 5 4 8 8 you will get. Now this you need to solve 16 into 13. Tell me the answer in the comment section. Thank you.